Should I remove clothes from the dryer immediately to prevent wrinkles?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be tackling a very common laundry question. Should I remove clothes from the dryer immediately to prevent wrinkles? The answer to this question may impact your laundry routine and even the appearance of your clothes, so let's dive right in.
Understanding the dryer and its effects.
First off, let's understand what a dryer does. A dryer uses heat and motion to remove moisture from your clothes. However, this process can sometimes leave your clothes with unwanted wrinkles if not managed correctly. The key to preventing wrinkles is to strike a balance between drying and minimizing the chances for clothes to crumple or stay in a wrinkled state for too long.
The importance of removing clothes promptly.
Yes, it is true. Removing your clothes promptly from the dryer can help to prevent wrinkles. This is because as clothes sit in the dryer, they continue to wrinkle as they cool down. The weight of the clothes piled on top of each other can also cause them to crease. By taking them out and folding, hanging, or wearing them immediately, you can mitigate these effects and reduce wrinkles.
What if I can't remove them immediately?
We know that life gets busy, and sometimes you can't always be there the second the dryer buzzes. If you can't remove your clothes from the dryer immediately, try using the wrinkle prevent or extended tumble option if your dryer has one. This feature periodically tumbles the clothes without heat to prevent wrinkles from setting in.
Other tips to prevent wrinkles.
While promptly removing clothes from the dryer is one way to prevent wrinkles, there are other steps you can take as well. Using fabric softener or dryer sheets can help reduce wrinkles, and shaking out your clothes before putting them in the dryer can also help. So, to answer the initial question, yes, you should ideally remove clothes from the dryer immediately to prevent wrinkles. But don't worry if that's not always possible. With the other tips we discussed, you can still keep your clothes looking their best. Remember, the key is to prevent your clothes from staying in a wrinkled state for too long. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day!